these cords everywhere?
Should be up there, should be down there. Oh man, I'm fucking crooked. Should be down there. It should be up there.
You should be able to see it all.
Oh, I'm going to move it. Why did it? Want my crooked?
Yeah.
There we go.
It's okay.
It's okay?
That's a nice spot. Is that huffy?
Yeah, when you're huffing and loving. Shit. Okay.
Oh wait. So your wife don't get mad. Quiet.
Oh fuck, I brought all the shit with me.
It's kind of like that time you throw out trash in my vehicle. How's that?
What?
So Danny's got all this wood too?
Yeah, I know. Dad's freaked out. I'm like, did Aaron bring that wood? And she's like, no, wait, what? No, I was like, oh yeah, Aaron needs the trailer. I guess Lily came and brought it.
He's gonna end up with so much wood. So Lily brought it? Hey.
Hold on.
Don't put it online. Lily brought it? The camera. What am I doing?
Oh, wait. Can I go get my cup?
Yeah. I'll pull you up there. Dad'll be like, yeah, cup. Because I guess he's gonna look.
Hey, so I got the camera with me, but me and my buddy, we're gonna cruise up and down Kearney and Glenstone. Just let me know where you want to meet. I wish I had the lid. I lost it. And then I have another couple who has a lid, but I have to make a hole and make another one. Is it gonna stick? Oh,
Why did you do this one? I thought you had one that.
What?
That.
Yeah, but it was scratching up the fucking.
Yeah.
So that's what I got. You don't want it scratching it up, right?
No, but I would rather not show this. But
That one I lost it, remember? I was driving my mom, I was drunk, and then fucking I put it up there and I.
Hey. It's pretty strong to get it on the plastic side.
Look at this bitch. This one's nice.
That's a 360?
Mm-hmm. And the battery holds better and there's a lot more better.
That guy tried to steal your 360.
I know.
It's a magnet.
Are you gonna wear your seatbelt?
I'm showing.
Who?
Whoever's looking.
Shit, I got too much going on. Did you get your glasses?
Fire. My wife was gonna come, even in her own bed.
That sucks. That should be so you can record shit.
I go all the way down.
Mm-hmm. There's a car.
Why do you think I was waiting?
Just like Nick. Look at this. So you got everything in my purse. And then I got a case so I can put it away and not have it on my head like yesterday. I fucking had some C4. I had fucking tons of coffee before I went to work. I fucking had another C4 this morning. C4 in a can. Oh, baby. Woo! Fucking meth is good. It's legal. Yeah, I shouldn't have brought this up.
What?
I brought this Pokemon phone, but I got so much going on. Fucking